So we haven't seen that yet out of Ethereum. And what we are starting to see, though, is a rotation from Ethereum into Solana and into a select handful of large cap alts. So we can take a look at that in a moment, but one chart that I think we should all be taking a look at here is Total 3. So Total 3, this is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH, and this has pushed to a fresh all-time high today. So we are starting to see this push higher. Now, we haven't been able to hold on to those fresh all-time highs, but let's see how things shake out through the rest of this month. Now, let's take a look at Solana, and then I want to take a look at the small caps, IWM and the Russell. But let's take a look at Solana here. Really beautiful breakout to 250. Looks like the high earlier today was 253 and a half. So Solana motoring higher looks pretty darn good. But what's most encouraging to me about Solana's price action is the fact that it has been outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin as of recently. So that's the rotation that I'm talking about. So this chart that I'm showing is Sol ETH. So Sol appreciating in Ethereum terms means Solana outperforming ETH. So that's the rotation that I'm talking about. We've seen the first rotation from Bitcoin into ETH, and you can view that if you take a look at ETH BTC. Now, my target on ETH BTC is up here, 0.055, which if we zoom out to a weekly, this is where you'll find the 200-week moving average, right around right here. And also notice this pattern, to me, this pattern on the weekly, this is a beautiful bull flag pattern. And a breakout, a push higher from this bull flag brings us up to 0.055. I think that's likely to occur over the next several months throughout the rest of this year. I remain an ETH bull. Let's talk again about rotations, right? Because that's really what I want to get into today as we start to go through the report. ETH BTC, this is the first rotation out of Bitcoin into Ethereum. The second rotation from Ethereum into Solana and large cap alts, we're starting to see that now. So here's Sol ETH. This is Solana outperforming Ethereum. And here's Sol BTC. So this is Solana outperforming Bitcoin. So we are seeing these rotations, and we're seeing these rotations as Bitcoin dominance has been pushing lower. So I believe that we are in alt season now, but we haven't seen the real exuberance yet. We haven't seen, the blow off tops. We haven't seen the plus 20, 30, 50% per day for weeks on end. We haven't seen those types of moves yet.